Rose spots in enteric fever, typhoid fever. In enteric fever, also known as typhoid fever, a characteristic rash called rose spots can appear. These are small, pink or red spots that are typically 2 to 4 mm in diameter. They are slightly raised and blanch. They fade when pressed. Rose spots are most commonly found on the chest and abdomen, but they can also appear on the back and limbs. Let's see the key characteristics of rose spots. Appearance. Rose spots are typically described as small, flat, or slightly raised, pink or reddish spots that blanch under pressure. Location. They are most commonly found on the trunk, on the chest, and abdomen, but can also appear on the back and extremities, arms and legs. Cause. The rash is thought to be caused by bacteria emboli, small blood clots containing bacteria that spread to the skin through the bloodstream. Timing. Rose spots usually appear in the second week of the illness, between days 7 and 12 after the onset of symptoms. Duration. They typically last for a few days, 2 to 5 days, before fading. Prevalence. Rose spots are not present in all cases of enteric fever, and they are less common in people with darker skin tones. Rose spots are present in a minority of enteric fever cases, with estimates ranging from less than a quarter to around 30%. Other names. Rose spots are also sometimes referred to as roseola typhosa or roseola infantum. Other causes. While rose spots are strongly associated with typhoid fever, they have also been reported in other infections like psittacosis, brucellosis, shigellosis, and leptospirosis, though these are less common.